Trista Ainsworth, and I am a professional organizer with Joyful Minimalism. Today, I am welcoming you to day 8 of our 100-day journey through personal growth and how it connects with your home and organizing. So today is all about trusting your inner guidance. And what that boils down to is trusting your true feelings. So in order to know what those are, I find it's really important throughout the day to take little breaks, especially when doing work around your home, to really tune into yourself and see how you're feeling about particular areas, about what's going on in your life right now. Taking a break to just sit down, have a cup of tea, and just be with yourself is really freeing, and it really helps you tune into those inner feelings. We can really get a freedom from trusting our inner feelings and knowing that it's right when it feels right. A lot of times we think we have to go on the left side of our brain to really analyze things in a linear way. But trusting into our feelings, although it's not something that we are taught generally in our society, it is something that really changes the way you look at things. If you truly tune in to how it feels to you, it will really change your outlook on how you organize your things, how you organize your time and your home. Letting go of things in your home, trusting your inner guidance can really be the solution. If you trust your feelings on something, even though it's scary to give away, you know it's the right choice if it feels right to you. So take some time to sit with things that you have bagged up and just really tune into what it feels like to let them go. And give yourself time to do this. It's okay to take a few days to maybe schedule a pickup of those items by a charity and give yourself time, because later you might decide differently on something, but really feel into what it is to let go of those things. My intention for you today is to really trust those inner feelings and inner guidance. So practice taking breaks throughout the day, just being quiet with yourself without a book or music or videos, to just be with yourself and see how you're feeling about your day, about how things are organized in your home, and to maybe schedule a pickup of some things that you need to let go of and see how you feel about them. So let me know in the comments below if you try any of those things. And please be sure to visit my website, expansive.me, and check out the offerings that I have there. I have a decluttering club where we go through habits in our home, and we go through a personal growth journey there as well, with journal prompts and checking in with each other. And I also have one-on-one coaching to help you personally. So I look forward to seeing you there, and I will see you next week.